Welcome back. Let's dive deeper into PLSQL today with Tech with D.
If you've not yet subscribed to our channel, go and subscribe it. Do not forget to hit the bell icon.
Today we will cover the conditional control statements and GOTO statement. First is if-then. Here we need to provide the condition, and if that condition is true, then only below statements will execute. Here in the example shows how to use it. It checks whether the number is positive or not. Since the num is assigned with -5, it will not execute the if-then block, as the condition is false. Now, in if-then-else, we can provide the statements to be executed if the condition is false. Syntax is displayed on the screen. The example will print the number is not positive, since the condition num less than 0 is false. When we want to check multiple conditions, then this if-then-else is used. Syntax is displayed on the screen. Here in example, it checks whether the num is positive or not in if condition, then in elif condition it checks whether it is negative, and if these both conditions failed, then in else part it will print num is 0. Here, the example will print num is negative, as it contains -5 value. Alternative for if-elif else is case selector. Here we need to define the condition in when-then blocks. Syntax is displayed on the screen, and the same example is written using case selector. GOTO statement is used to directly shift the program control to labeled block. Syntax is displayed on the screen, and the example depicts the use of GOTO statement for checking whether the number is positive or not.